Have you ever pondered over the magnificent Egyptian pyramids and the enigma of their creation? These colossal structures have been a source of fascination for centuries, a testament to the ingenuity of the ancient civilization that constructed them. There are more than 100 pyramids spread across the Egyptian landscape, each one unique in size and complexity. The largest of them all, the Great Pyramid of Giza, stands taller than a 40-story building. The construction of these pyramids is shrouded in mystery, sparking countless debates and theories. Some believe they were built using simple tools and sheer manpower, while others propose more advanced, even extraterrestrial methods. The truth, however, remains elusive, but don't worry, we're not here to leave you in the dark. So let's uncover the shroud of mystery and delve into the theories about the pyramid construction. First, we step back in time to the ancient theories on pyramid construction. These theories, as old as the pyramids themselves, offer fascinating insights into the minds of those who first attempted to unravel the secrets of these architectural marvels. Our journey begins with Herodotus, the celebrated Greek historian, often dubbed as the father of history. He speculated that the pyramids were constructed using a system of ramps. According to him, laborers would haul the colossal stone blocks up these ramps layer by layer until the pyramid reached its staggering height. This theory, while imaginatively compelling, presents logistical challenges. For instance, the ramps would have to be extraordinarily long and wide to accommodate the weight and size of the stone blocks, which in turn would require an immense amount of labor and materials to construct. Next, we delve into the theory proposed by another historian, Diodorus Siculus. Unlike Herodotus, Diodorus suggested that the ancient Egyptians used an intricate scaffolding system to build the pyramids. He believed that workers would construct a wooden framework around the pyramid, hoisting the heavy stone blocks into place using this structure. While this theory addresses some of the issues presented by Herodotus's ramp system, it too has its limitations. The primary concern being the durability and strength of the wooden scaffolding, considering the immense weight of the stones. These early theories, while fascinating, are somewhat limited by the knowledge and technological understanding of their time. They offer imaginative solutions, but fail to provide a comprehensive explanation that accounts for all aspects of pyramid construction. The sheer size of the blocks, the precision of their placement, and the astounding alignment of the pyramids to celestial bodies. So, while Herodotus and Diodorus Siculus gave us a starting point, their theories left many questions unanswered. They brought us a step closer to understanding the enigma of the pyramids, but also highlighted just how much more there was to discover. While these theories provided some insights, they weren't able to fully explain the nuances of pyramid construction. Fast forward to modern times, the mystery continues to baffle us. Science and technology have come a long way, but when we turn our attention to the pyramids of Egypt, we are still left scratching our heads. Let's dive into some of the modern theories that attempt to unravel this ancient enigma. Firstly, there's the internal ramp theory proposed by French architect Jean-Pierre Houdin. Houdin suggests that the Egyptians built the pyramids from the inside out, using an internal ramp to hoist the blocks into place. This theory is compelling because it could explain how the workers managed to place the enormous stones so high up. But it's not without its critics. Some argue that an internal ramp would not have been feasible due to the immense weight of the stones. Then, we have the wet sand theory put forward by a team of Dutch physicists. They believe that the Egyptians could have transported the heavy blocks of stone across the desert by wetting the sand in front of a sledge. Wet sand reduces friction, making it easier to pull heavy objects. This theory has been tested and found to work in controlled conditions, adding some weight to its credibility. However, it doesn't explain how the blocks were lifted and placed into position. These theories, while intriguing, are not without their flaws. The internal ramp theory struggles to explain how the pyramid structure could have withstood the weight of the stones, while the wet sand theory doesn't account for the intricate placement of these blocks. Moreover, these theories also do not consider the sophistication of the pyramid's construction. The precision with which these monumental structures were built is astounding, with some blocks fitting together so tightly that not even a blade of grass can slip between them. In essence, while modern theories have certainly added to our understanding of this ancient wonder, they have also deepened the mystery. Each theory seems to answer one question while raising several others. Despite these advances, the perfect explanation still eludes us. As we continue to explore, we are reminded of the incredible ingenuity of the ancient Egyptians and the enduring power of their creations. Now, let's navigate the controversial waters of pyramid construction theories. There are a couple of theories that, while not mainstream, certainly pique our curiosity. First, we have the ancient aliens theory. This suggests that extraterrestrial beings with superior technology built the pyramids. Then, there's the lost civilization theory, proposing that an advanced but now extinct civilization was responsible for the pyramids. These theories certainly capture the imagination, but it's crucial to note that they lack substantial scientific evidence. No archaeological signs of alien technology or remnants of a lost civilization have been discovered in relation to the pyramids. These theories often rely on the notion that ancient Egyptians weren't capable of such architectural feats. But let's not underestimate the ingenuity of our ancestors. These theories, though fascinating, serve more as a testament to human imagination than historical fact. As we pull back from the vortex of theories, what have we learned about pyramid construction? Our journey has taken us through a labyrinth of ancient beliefs, modern hypotheses, and controversial propositions. We've considered the traditional theory of a vast labor force hauling massive stones up a ramp of earth and debris. We've pondered the intriguing idea of an internal ramp system, a theory which offers a more feasible solution but lacks concrete evidence. We've even navigated the contentious waters of extraterrestrial involvement, a concept that, while captivating, lacks scientific backing. Each theory, regardless of its limitations, offers a unique perspective on the architectural marvel that is the Egyptian pyramid. They underscore the enduring enigma of pyramid construction, a mystery that has held us captive for millennia. While the exact method of pyramid construction remains a mystery, the pyramids themselves stand as a testament to the ingenuity and determination of ancient civilizations. Until the day we unearth the truth, the pyramids continue to captivate our imagination and fuel our quest for knowledge.